Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to unboxing a tripod, and this is one of the most common tripod you will find in any market, and it is very much handy. And let me tell you why this is very much handy, because you can see the pros here, like a 3-wire head, a built-in level, and a 4-second aluminum length. That's not the first second, that's the first section, I guess. Yeah, that's the first section, and the quick lever lock. So it has everything what I need to be a perfect tripod. A perfect handy tripod. Like, as you can see, there is the 3-way balancing. You can tilt right, left, and top. So that's the 3-way, and as you can see, the 4-section leg, it will have a great balance in it, and it will not tilt. It will not much vulnerable like in other tripods, like one base, and it has total 4 section, like 4 support in every way. So let me show you. I will show you this later. And as you can see, there is the quick lever lock, and you can lock any position as you want, and the rubber grip, and the rubber grip actually in the leg side. So the other pros here, it is a lightweight, 420 gram, and also you can see the dia. And which dia is it? I am actually confused. 16.4 milli. This is the dia of the tripods. 4-section leg dia, I guess. And the total leg length, you can see 345 millimeter. So that is pretty good. And the normal and other is 350, and the maximum length it will go, it's like 1020 millimeters. So this is above 1 meter, so this is pretty handy. So let me open this up, and I'm doing this unboxing in one hand. It will be hard for me, so I wish you have the patience to enjoy it. I'll try to cover this up in every way. Hopefully it will work. So let me just bring this out. Yeah, the weird unboxing is on. Yeah, that's the thing. And this is the mobile holder. You will hold your mobile here, so like this. Yeah, and let me show the tripod. It is not that bad. Well, what just okay, this is the tripod, and as you can see, there's the level balance, and this is pretty handy. You know if your camera is on balance or it is not in the balance. So this is the 4-section. Like, the 4-section actually happens with this. If you just open this up, like, there are 4 leg, 1, 2, 3, and the 4, and it is everywhere tilted. Like, if you move this will be tightened up, and if you just lose this one, you can easily move the tripod head in anywhere it is needed. So as you can see, there is another screw from where it will connect with this thing. So if you hold like this way, then you can easily connect this. So I am having some hard time to connecting the head. Hopefully I can do this. Yeah, this is not bad. Well, I think I choose the wrong side. Is the up or down? Yeah, this way. This looks better, right? Isn't it? And let me just unplug this one. So just unplug that one also. And yeah, the other section like a three-way move is from this. As you can see, it is to the left and it is to the top and it is to the right. So this is the three-way section, three-way pen head. So this is pretty handy, and the pen is actually very strong, and you can adjust the length from here also. You can just unplug this and it will have some extra in length. So let me show you. OMG, yeah, this is it. Okay, the length is here, the head length is 350 millimeter, so that's the maximum length. And there are other length also. If I just unplug the last part, unlock not the unplug mean unlock, it will come some extra length of leg. So just let me bring out the last one. I don't know why the last one is just hanging, what is happening. So yeah, everything is perfectly elongated, and we'll just lock this right now so that it will not move. It will just stay strong, right? And as you can see, it's done. And this was it. And you can also move this section also. It will elongate it up to 1 meter. So this is pretty good. Hope you all will enjoy this tripod, and this is pretty handy also. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. Hope you all enjoy it, and see you all soon with the action with the tripod. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace. Well, if you're new, just don't forget to subscribe. See you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.